Hi, this is mathematics class for 12th standard by Sindhanathan. 12th standard functions. Types of functions, we have to prove that f from R to R, that is real number to real number one function we are considering, that function is step function. So in 11th standard itself we studied about the step function. This step function is 1 onto or bijective, both we have to prove. Okay, right. So we have to say that whether it is 1 function or onto function, we have to check it. Okay, right. So before going to that, we have to get a clear idea about the step function. So what is step function? What is the diagram for this step function? So this is nothing but, if it is x value is 0, this becomes 0. After that, if x is 1, then y also 1. So this point. Before that, if x value is 0.1 means that becomes 0. So same point. Y value also 0. 0.2 also 0. Up to 0.9 also 0. So the same values. If it is here 1, suppose this is 2 and 3 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on. This is 0. So x value is 0 means y value also 0. If x value is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 0.9999, up to that y value becomes 0. If it is x value 1 means y value becomes 1. After that, if x value is 1.1, 1.2 up to 1.99999 is nothing but same 1. Next, x value 2 means y value is 2. Here it will come here. Okay, 2. So from here to here it will go. So that's why this is called a step function. So after 3 becomes 3, 3 2 like this. It will go on like this. Here also it will go on like this. So it will go on as a step function. So it is nothing but, in general, step function of 1 is 1. Step function of 1.1 is same one. 1.999 is also 1. So actually for 1 function, what is that? Here you can take any value. For example, step function of 2.5 is 2. Step function of 2.9 also 2. Step function of 3 is 3. 2.9999 is 2. So that we know that condition for 1 function. So f of x1, what we have to take? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. Then only it is called a 1 function. Or graphically we can denote that. See here 1, 1.1, 1.2 and so on 2. This is x value, first set A, and this is second set. Okay. Now you just consider this step function for this set A to B. For 1, step function is 1. Step function of 1 is 1. 1.1 also 1. 1.2 also 1. 1.3 also 1 and so on. For 2, it becomes 2. Correct. So this is not 1 function. Actually this is many 1 function. That how to prove this? These are all general. How to prove this? It's nothing but from the example itself we can prove. F of 1.1 is 1 and f of 1.9 also becomes 1. So these twos are equal. F of 1.1 is equal to f of 1.9. These twos are equal, but 1.1 is not equal to 1.9. Actually this must be equal, then only we can say it is 1 function, right? If this is f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2, then only we can say 1 function. But here f of 1.1 is equal to f of 1.9. Yes, but 1.1 is not equal to 1.9. Therefore f is not 1 function. That's all. So similarly we can say for onto function. See that in this codomain is real numbers. That means here there are 1.1 also is there, 1.2 also is there, 2.1 also is there, 2.2 also is there. So many numbers are there. So for these numbers elements does not have a pre-image. So clearly it is mentioned. For example, suppose the set B is natural number, means it is understood. So all the only 1 2 3 will come, only integers will come, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 will come. So that if you are taking this uh, what is that step function, you will get 1 for 1 you will get 1, for 1.1 you will get 1, 1.2 also you will get 1, up to 1.99 you will get 1, 2.1 you will get 2, 2.2 you will get 2, next 1 2 3 and so on, it goes on. If it is natural number, it is satisfied. If it is real number, so definitely 1.1 1.2 will be there, correct? For these elements it does not have a pre-image. So that simply we can say that let we are taking any number 1.2 belongs to R, that is in codomain. In codomain I take like this any number or any element, for this does not have a pre-image, but 1.2 does not have any pre-image. Therefore what we can say, similarly so many elements are there, simply I take only 1.2 does not have a pre-image. Therefore we can say that F is not onto. That's all. Therefore what we can say, therefore F is it 1 1? No, not 1 1, not onto. Therefore we can say F is neither 1 1 nor onto. So it is not 1 1 function, not onto function. Consider the next question. It is a book question, 6th question from your exercise. A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 4 5 6 7, and then F is equal to the function they given 1 4 2 5 3 6. Show that F is 1 1 but not onto. So we have to prove that this is 1 1 function. So see here, from this diagram we can see easily the first set is 1 2 3, it has 3 elements. Set B has 4 5 6 7. 1 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5, 3 is related to 6. So each and every element in the first set or domain has individual image, right? So it has unique image in this codomain, so that we can say it is 1 1 function. And then it is onto function or not. See that each and every element in this codomain must have a pre-image, but 7 does not have any pre-image. Therefore we can say it is not onto. So that's all, very simple. So how to prove this? It is nothing but f of 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 5, and f of 3 is equal to 6. From this relation we can write f of this 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 5, f of 3 means 6. That is x value is 3, y value is 6. Actually this is x value, this is y value. If you are applying this x value in this function, we are getting this y value. This is x value, if we are applying this function, we are getting y value. This is input, this is output. Okay. Therefore what we can say, therefore every element in A have distinct image in B. Therefore what we can say, F is 1 1 function. Similarly, this 7 belongs to this B. Set B does not have a pre-image. This 7 belongs to B does not have pre-image in A. Therefore we can say that F is not onto. So that what we can say, F is not surjective. This also we can say. What is mean by surjective? Both 1 1 and on 2, then only it is surjective. Here it is not surjective.